What's up everybody? It's Laura at Vegan RV and welcome to another video from Florida, where we are not right now, which you can tell because I'm wearing long sleeves. Anyway, in this video we're going to start off with some highlights from the RV thing. So I know that was a while ago, but we have a couple of fun things to show you. We didn't record a lot there because we were working and trying to do stuff for the event, but I think you will enjoy what we did get. So I'm going to go ahead and take you to that, and then I'll pop back in real quick because later on, to relax after the RV thing, we go to Fort Desoto. So I'll pop back in and talk about that when we get there. See you in a minute. So we're here at the RV thing and we're waiting for old man yoga. But the instructors are late. Paul and Kevin got everything set up. We're entertaining people with a video and we're just waiting. Everybody's got their mats set up over here. I'll show you what we got going on. See, everybody's all ready to go, but we don't know where the instructors are, so we're just hanging out. So we'll update you in just a minute. Still waiting. There's no sign of them. I don't know what's going on. At least the people have something to watch right now, so I'll keep you updated. 8 minutes late. I don't know. Kevin said they were gonna run and try and find them at the airport. They're supposed to be coming into Lakeland here. So I don't know, you guys. Hopefully they'll show up because yoga instructor didn't show up yesterday. So hopefully these guys will make it. You guys, I think I just saw a car coming. I think it might be them.
I'm sitting in the kitchen.
Yep, I think that's them. I think they're coming. Alright, awesome. We're going to have this yoga class. Amazing. So good. Alright, cool. This is going to be awesome.
Then he starts to jump. And he rolls over these hills and he comes on back to he starts to spit. I mean, Peter. I just tell you that one thing. It's got this way
All the people who want to tell you that things are impossible, if you can settle.
Welcome to Manly Yoga.
Welcome to Manly Yoga.
We're going to be doing a nice, mild wake-up yoga. This is something that you can do in the mornings when you get out of bed. That's what I do.
These things are so comfortable.
They're really comfortable, aren't they? They're about my 6th favorite pair that I have. So it's a really good morning wake up. Let's videotape some of this, shall we? Kevin's in a perfect position right now. The camera's picking that up wonderfully. My goodness, you look sexy like that.
I'm in Shavasana.
You've just woken up, you're looking up at the ceiling and you're going, oh, I hate my life. And you just flop your legs over to the left. Or you go, I love my life. And you flop your legs over to the left. And you're stretching your spine out. And I want you to take a couple of deep breaths and breathe down into your hips. So you're just going to breathe in really hard. And breathe out. And as you breathe out, you should feel that your legs will fall a little bit further. Breathe. Yeah. But you've walked out into the front of your coach at this point, and you're on the front of your coach. So I want you to visualize you're in your coach doing this, not embarrassing yourself in front of a bunch of strangers. I gotta keep my eyes closed. Help me out here. That is not happening. That is not happening.
I really don't know what's going on.
And try to extend your heels to the floor if you can. Most of us are not going to be able to do that unless you're a little bit more limber. And then so we're just going to bend over right now and just put you can support. Don't even start. I know it's sexy, but bend over. Out, come back up. Breathe in. And out. fingers back and together, and we do that 3 times. In and out.
I'll probably miss everybody.
This isn't very environmentally friendly, but
Is that sealed?
between that, Kevin's just gonna go straight with me.
All right.
Lorraine is gonna fire a water balloon straight up into the air. Not yet, don't let it go.
Kevin's a cheater.
You're refilling.
This is just fun watching.
Oh my god, that thing is so... Look at that thing! The thing is ridiculous, it's like a bazooka.
By the electrical.
Basically, so...
I want
What's going on here?
true hawksbeard. This is a false hawksbeard. Crepus japonica, Crepus youngia. Crepus comes from a Greek word that means frilly funeral veil. Works its way down into English through French as cray paper, because some drunk botanists thought the leaves looked like cray paper. Botanists drink a lot. Botanists drink a lot, and they don't have imagination either. Doing you wrong, doing you wrong. Don't you worry, baby, don't worry. I'm right here, right here, right here, right here. I'm a good, I'm a grand night. Everything's gonna be just right. Radio world.
Everybody's letting me get him down.
Love never won me ties.
Up in our gray tank. We got a little bit of help. The RV thing was a blast. As you can see, everybody had so much fun. But don't take my word for it. If you were at the RV thing, comment down below and tell everybody what a good time you had. It was pretty special. So anyway, now we are off to one of our favorite parks. I think we say we have a lot of favorite parks, but Fort Desoto is amazing. Beautiful sites with, not lots of privacy between the sites, and there's all this biking and beaches, beautiful white beaches that you can get to there on the, I think it's an island. And then a lot of the sites at Fort Desoto are water sites. We didn't get one of those this time, but it's all very accessible, so you can just walk over and have some beautiful views. So we're going to go ahead and get into that. The main thing we do at Fort Desoto is we get our Alpacka Rafts wet for the first time. So we were pretty excited about that. There was a little bit of drama in the inflatable kayak realm, so you'll have to wait and see what happens there. And then we, of course, tried out a bunch of different vegan food. We hit up 3 different spots, and it was all delicious, so you'll get to see that as well. So check it out.
Yeah, and the 23, both my kids did delicious names.
I was actually considering getting one regular, one
So that it doesn't necessarily mean anything, but this would have been.
3
All right, Laura, you're the first. We got our Alpacka Rafts. She's gonna be the first to go into the water. In case somebody sinks, I'll be able to come and get you.
So one of the best things about these is they're ridiculously light.
Yeah.
Like, it's nothing.
So I don't have to carry it. Okay. You have to get into the water.
Well, I was going to take my shoes off first.
Okay. Well, you can just leave those up here then. If you're not going to walk in the water with them, you can just leave them up on shore.
Yeah, okay.
In case the tide comes in. Here she goes. I'll be here to push you out in case you need it. Can she do it, folks? Or is this going to be the best fail army? What? Turn around and show the camera. Look at that. How is it? It's floaty?
So it's a little squirrelier than what we're used to.
Yeah, then the big like super holes. Yeah, like solid. Is it comfortable? Do you need to adjust anything?
No, it's awesome.
All right, cool.
All right, Kevin, now it's your turn.
Take 10. Jeez, always wanting to be in our shot.
Every
like, man, how can we get more followers? This is their new scheme. They're like, hey, get in their video. All right, yes. Cedar green alpaca.
Woohoo!
I gotta go out a little bit deeper because I'm a little bit bigger. That's the stuff right there.
Are you okay?
Huh?
Are you okay there?
What?
I said, are you okay there?
Yeah, I was cleaning off my feet.
Oh, okay, because you were shaking your legs and I was like, what's going on?
Yeah.
Check those bad boys out.
Whoa.
See what I mean?
That's awesome.
All right, I'm going to put this down and we're
All right, do you want to put it in my thing?
Yeah, I mean, literally, we were arguing 5 minutes after we started.
5 minutes? That's a record for us. Laura and I, man, as soon as we got in, we're like... All right, vegan RVers, check them out. I don't know if they're going to make it. Oh, they're close to the water line. So, I don't know if you guys can see that. It's freaking snake skin coming out of the ground. What the hell? That is crazy.
That guy.
All right, here we go. Shut up, both of you.
What?
Both of you.
Oh, no.
Oh, that was not the deal.
That was not
Yeah, bull. It was too. Isn't that what I said? Try it.
I can try it, but we're going to flip.
You guys need the views. Oh my god.
Look at that with the flag right behind you.
I know. See, it's so American. If you would just both stand up.
Okay, I'm going to try, but if I flip.
Well, let me
Ah.
get out of the way.
I'm going to take Sean down with
Here we go.
I'm not doing that. You're doing that.
Oh, yes. Yeah! See? Yeah!
Whew. The good news is Paul and Lorena made it back with their kayak without a problem. They did not sink. It was close though. And they were able to patch it up and use it again, no problem, later. So, that's one of the nice things about inflatables is that, first of all, they're easy to store in your RV. And then second of all, even if you do have an issue with it, it can usually be repaired. So, we have not had any issues with ours yet, knock wood. So, so if you want to see more videos from us, go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell, and then you'll find out when we put out new videos. And we always appreciate it if you like the video. That helps us spread around a little bit on YouTube. And we do a bunch of other stuff on veganrv.com if you'd like to see that. And we'll see you next time. Bye.